everybody. Good afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and do a concept of word activity with you guys. So in your week 5 packet, you have your new bee poem. And one of the pages that you have is the page with all of the words in separate boxes for you to cut out and then put together, kind of like what we do in our poetry chart in our classroom. So I have my setup here. You always want to have the poem next to you, especially at the beginning of the week. Now, by the end of the week, you might not need it, but I'm going to put it here just to show you how I go one word at a time. So before I begin doing my poem, putting it together, I'm going to go ahead and read the poem to you. Bee. I hear the buzz of a bee as I am having fun. I spot a hive up in a tree and then take off and run. All right, so I always want to start with my title, and guess what? This is going to be probably the easiest word for you to find because it is going to be underlined. So B is our title, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to move B up here. All right, so B. Then I don't know if you guys, maybe you have noticed what I've done with my words at the bottom here. I put all of my sight words together, and then I put all of my other words over here. That's just how I like to organize them to try to make it a little bit easier for me when I am putting the poem together. So the first word that I need is I, and I is a sight word. I'm going to come down here. Here is an I, so I'm going to start with I. Then I need the word here. Now, here is not a sight word. It is H-E-A-R, here. Now, you don't just want to look at the beginning letter because you can see other words begin with the letter H. Okay, so H-E-A-R. So this isn't it. This isn't it. Here it is. H-E-A-R. I hear the, T-H-E, we know how to spell the word the, and the is a sight word, T-H-E, the. I'm going to put that one here. I hear the buzz, B-U-Z-Z, buzz, buzz. There are two that begin with B, so make sure you're looking carefully. This is the word buzz. See how I'm leaving space between my words? Okay. I hear the buzz of. Of is a sight word. Now, yesterday I talked to you guys about two sight words that look very similar. Is this word and this word. Okay, you can see they both have OF. This one just has an extra F. Okay, this is the word off, and this is the word of. So this is the word I need right now, of. I hear the buzz of a. That is one of our easy ones. I'm going to put a here. I hear the buzz of a what? Of a bee. B-E-E-B. I hear the buzz of a bee as. Now, as is a sight word. It starts with A, but we have a lot of sight words that start with A. We have this one, this one, this one. So we want to make sure that we get AS for as, which is right here. I hear the buzz of a bee as I. We know what I looks like. As I am. Am is A-M. Am. Here it is. As I am having. There's that ing. Remember, ing says ing. Having. Here it is. I think that's the longest word we have in our poem this week. As I am having fun. One of our unwords from word study last week. F-U-N, fun. Not this word. That's another UN word. It's this one right here. F-U-N, fun. Now you can notice that this is the end of a sentence, so that's why it has punctuation, has a period attached to it. Okay. I hear the buzz of a bee as I am having fun. The next word is I. We already know what I looks like. I'm going to move it up here. All right. I spot. S-P-O-T, spot. Remember we talked yesterday about how this kind of spot means that you see something. S-P-O-T, spot is not a sight word. Here is the word spot. I spot a. We know what a looks like. A circle with a line on the side. I spot a hive. H-I-V-E, hive. Here's the word hive. It starts to get easier as you go through the poem because there are less words to look at. I spot a hive up. U-P, up. Up is a sight word. U-P, up. Here it is. I spot a hive up in. In is a sight word. I-N. In. I spot a hive up in a. I spot a hive up in a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Here it is. And you know what? Tree has a rhyming word in this poem. Do you know what the rhyming word for tree is? Bee. Bee and tree rhyme. I spot a hive up in a tree and. A-N-D, and. And then. T-H-E-N. Ooh, what I noticed about the word then is that it has a sight word in it. If you covered up the N, it would be the. But this word with the N is then. It does have a consonant digraph, TH at the beginning. And then take. Here's the word take. Oh, we're just left with sight words. And then take off. Here's that other word we talked about, O-F-F, off. And then take off and run. And we're ending with that exclamation point. So now we're going to just read it together. Bee. I hear the buzz of a bee as I am having fun. I spot a hive up in a tree and then take off and run. So now I have some questions for you guys. So imagine that there is a child playing outside. I'm going to just ask you some comprehension questions. So I'm going to see if you understand what you are reading. So they were outside and they heard a noise. So what did they hear? Did they hear a cat meow? Did they hear a bee buzzing? Or did they hear a dog barking? They heard a bee buzzing. All right, so what was the child doing? Was the child washing a car? Was the child mowing the grass? Or was the child having fun? The child was having fun. All right, they saw something in the poem. What did they see? Did they see a white car go by? Did they see a butterfly? Or did they see a hive? They saw a hive. And when they saw that hive, what did they do? Did they run? Did they skip? Or did they jump? They ran. Very good job. All right, guys, have fun putting your poem together today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.